Hello everyone. So in this lecture, we will see another problem which says node is not ready state. So node is showing not ready state. So there could be a reason that the service which is running on that particular machine is, which is Kubelet service, is down. Or there may be a network issue. There may be a disk pressure, right? So in my case, uh, if I show you, my nodes are in ready state. If I say kubectl get nodes, right? So here you can see all are in ready state. Consider if something is not in the ready state. For example, node 2 is not in the ready state. So what you can do, kubectl describe and node and then the node name. So you can just go here. Here it will show under the events that what could be the reason. So reason could be anything, as I mentioned, network issue, CNI issue, or or something else. Service, Kubelet service is not running, right? And then you can see the properties of the node here. Here, in my case, everything looks fine. But in case if it is not uh, something which is correct on your node level, then what you can do, you can just take that issue and you need to take the action accordingly. So describe command explains everything about the worker node, kubectl describe node and node name. Now, if I say that kubectl and get nodes, so you can say no also. So here, for example, you want to remove this particular node from your cluster. Then what you can do, you can run the command uh, kubectl delete node and the node name. Like in my case, it is worker2. So that will be deleted. One more thing you can do, if something which is not working on node side, means worker node is not showing as in the ready state. So you can run that command, which is kube adm reset command. So it will reset the Kubernetes client on the worker node machine, and from master nodes you can create a token and run that token command again on the worker node. So that helps to rejoin the worker node to the cluster. So this way we can troubleshoot if the worker node is not in the ready state. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.